She cat ye me choose the pan yell. Cat your head, dear, said you see my explanation, and yes, I know me who know. Cat we pay a car.
Car bomb ya makana some sorty.
I didn't mean your sent to Kobina Mokokon ye.
Talk away. When I mean, my best one, my conto card, what's in case in put them a conto card.
I said, you're missing who can win and say, near the cap habit me, you nipan sapa.
On the end, no, so me muna car.
That's accident. They want to make us accident. Is here, baby, also.
I don't believe it.
Look, I mean,
who can be the me sent to Kobina Mokokon ye na.
And talk what I am conto. Number 3.
I mean, do I need them penny about war from one way?
Show.
And no, so no.
Obi a we school some
patient na uni patient.
E dia ade. I dey wo catch as a car na te car tibetimi abowa ma ho etwa sei. Car beti abowa ma honum na etwa ketu sei.
Na car bo me na ogina ho bi.
Car abowa ma wafuno etimi ye wafuno timi say punches pa punches.
What say car tiny pimpim mafuno. Hey say tiny pimpim mafuno.
Mon kan ko na bibi o e be ya ye nyemu am.
See ano say emfa ne say nya accident na say bibi na asia e de na obey.
No same day say ye de mra etukun na mra ye.
We headmaster na say wo sick bay. Oh.
Hey, bra.
We headmaster na say wo sick bay.
School mo na mo no. Me ka ho bi. Enti na mo ha bi.
Na me me
just ya said e do says ye hwemo. Bibi ye mo
say na questions bebrebe.
E na say who press me who at the control hospital now.
And I say car na aboyen. Enti anye aiden.
Sick bay. Who be patient. And you have to get patient. It's called to patient or zoko.
So you until unforeseen.
What me atna se pass car pipe me abome ama meti ho atwa sei car ti me boma ne de car ne car ne bleed
adai ku akura no
oh fast and furious then tia
ti na oye bi wa ha
meti won so na car ne hwiri car on to order to down up the car ne hwiri sa order to
car ne hwiri fa war no so
order to come fly with me the car ne fam so war no so emo akura se wo na emu
na car ne pimpim ha
na me to form san na pimpim se na twifam ti so ntina meeting woman no ayam na etale kota no
opoku wan jan chire mu no wo chale
wo school obi em so ye stubborn wo opoku mi gidi se akonu akodi na chi akọ kanto kwa wo so nye enu mo akọ kanto kwa na ya bom botoro mo pese mbe kan okore
Mr. Sao line and fam mami side o me sero Dana ya baga some disrespect.
Master. Watch your tongue, Make catch you.
Say, what your man at the gym? Watch your tongue.
We are saying me see the pania wo wa betino.
So no
we are there be play.
On one born
watch your tongue.
Hey. Me my day. When I catch me exams mama.
Say na watch your tongue there.
Watch your tongue.
What tibi we?
That are tongue.
Tongues me gina ina me ye hiri baba. On cano kure ba ko kra modi ti fu ma kra
no pede aide
me ko like me ko anyway adru na me dia ma mo hwe na mo nom not dey make at you na ka me na fa ma se nom pains na ewu no no madu ma pains ne so nte ni mo ho tam kra mo
sa talkative see do timi kasa sa no o pa ne mo ni
akwa we na hwe ni
I start
akwa when you said we see to ya no one way go for problem apply yeah man me hwe bi there be because me see my accident wo na ti me chira se me nya accident na yakon ka ke to bi ko che
e be that dress
any precious na ba be dress ama me the precious wo dey minim
yeah me pen kwa na me nyo the party they come my way oh yeah me am embroso we meya me pese me come ani mo
se me de manu betum ifiri mu fia
free for prayer
Hi now.
Damn. We go so me manage. I don't know what you say.
I'm doing you a favor. You can't be giving me pressure.
Say,
I'd be lucky I came.
precious, out in my power.
How are you now?
It's getting better.
But I saw that you were breathing something. Why has it affected your respiratory tract? Your respiratory tract, I mean respiration system, like your lungs and all that.
I must start your registration.
Forget about it. Let me just start dressing. Where is Kanti?
Scanty. Me who nature.
Huh? Then I'm leaving. No, it's because of Kanti that I came here.
She's go out.
When?
She's go out. Once upon a time.
I'm serious. When did he go out?
Yeah, I mean, okay, I check a crash. So,
Do you think he'll be coming anytime soon?
precious, I mean, I'm coupon.
Really? Opoku. If you play with me, I'll leave. I'll just open it and leave.
OP for pre.
Opoku.
OP for precious.
But
This
your
side-
wounds, they're healed though.
Yes, this side is okay, but this side there,
Sorry.
yes, that's the part where the car hit. So it's digested my.
Stop talking about the car. I know you're just lying. Sorry. Opoku, sorry. Opoku, stop.
Huh?
I'm going.
Oh,
I'm
come,
leaving
come.
this like this. I'm going.
Oh, I'm
Bye-bye,
sorry.
bye-bye. So,
Opera.
Ah.
I'm sorry.
don't touch me.
It was the slip of the hands.
Sure. Come. Sorry.
Don't turn my neck like that. It affects
okay.
my neck.
I'm sorry. Just turn your head so I can just apply it and then cover it, okay? Sorry, I'm sorry.
It has affected my spinal cord here.
What?
This
Your spinal cord is here.
this.
Yeah, this is your throat or esophagus is here.
I'm a corner.
I don't know. Sorry. Let me just finish and cover it. Yeah, oh, sorry, okay. But who dressed it before me? Because it's making me get head. Sorry.
Aquarium friends said they always sick be.
The school nurse.
Then I pump my pan and me come.
Yeah. Well, then I'm sure he did it well.
I'm tired. I'm suffering. This thing. Wait. If you hug me, then I'll be okay.
Then I'll be hugging.
Yes. If you do one, then you hug me too.
Don't worry.
Okay.
When you get fine, don't see me again.
Huh?
Nothing.
Are you precious? I was asking you a question. So, have you accepted scanty proposal?
No.
Okay. You are a good girl.
But I might be accepting soon.
No.
I'm thinking about it, Opoku. What do you think I should do? Because
Scanty.
right now, he's your friend. Advise me, because I feel like he's a very good person. Do you get it?
Yeah.
So I can't be delaying it for long.
But me, she talked about his girlfriend, that his girlfriend is
girlfriend.
Yes.
He has a girlfriend
At home. That was what he was saying like 3 days ago, that he has a girlfriend.
Oh, I don't believe it.
But you said, he said that you are flexing on him. So he wanted to use you for something. Like, he want to sleep with you and leave you away.
Tell me you're kidding.
I'm serious. Why would I lie? She's my friend for Christ.
It's okay, keep quiet. I don't believe it.
Huh?
Keep quiet.
Oh, I'm telling you.
Keep quiet.
And she said that she don't like fair girls.
Bilson, shut up. Okay, shut up.
Oh, for prayer.
I won't mind you.
Oh, for prayer.
So let me just do your hands first. Sorry.
Remove it on the small.
Sorry.
Atish. Do you know something? I had a dream about you yesterday.
What was happening with you?
I saw an angel. My busy kakra. Why?
Opoku.
My busy. Oh.
Wait a minute. So I busy now. So Mr.
Sorry.
Bravo, Opoku. Mr. Waka, who be a home brasser, Quansana, Kawabwa, I'm a madras in some.
How do you mean that I want to? On Saba, Kopeke, can I bunu now? Yes,
With Mr. Why?
Opera.
Opoku be patrol.
Babe, in Ananka, the Biami Pra.
I believe in okay. Please, when Scanty comes, tell him that I came to look for him.
But you are not done yet.
Opoku me patrol and come on, mammy to train him.
Hey, be a floor, busy. Oh, Opera, come.
What?
So you say Scanty come.
Yeah, tell him that I came here.
Okay. So you are leaving.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
So today you didn't brought me food.
When have I ever brought you food?
With Mr. Waka, come on, mammy to train him.
Huh?
Mr. Waka.
Oh, you know what? I was thinking of best chama. Okay.
So I'll be leaving. What food do you want?
And if you get a fruit,
Okay. Which fruit?
a fruit like banana.
Banana.
Yes. And buffalo crab of the pineapple.
Opoku.
Pawpaw. I get pawpaw and something like that. I'll be okay.
You'll get better, okay? So I'll come and change it tomorrow in the evening.
Okay.
So it'll be fine. Bye. I'll see you later.
Okay.
Bye. So I'm taking the train.
Okay.
Opoku.
Afa awie.
With the come patrol, mammy to train him.
How can this guy help you?
Precious, I will help her. Precious. Oh, I will try to help her. Don't.
Use this hand.
I will. Precious. Opre. Oh.
You.
Don't worry. I will
Let
help.
me help you.
I will help her.
Let me just do it fast and leave.
P for pray.
O for Opoku.
P.
Oh.
Don't worry. I will help her. Eh?
How?
Don't worry.
You just have one hand.
Go. You are making me jealous. Go. P. Who say ye mean son now? Why, yeah, I got time on Sabi Janasi and young someone. Why, yeah, you would do too much. I only a cost one. Yeah, I didn't know bell. A bell on one soon fast for. If I don't come here and I feel I'll be who to fast for. Nini party, kama. Only colored TV, kama. Also, one pair black and white. Only precious, kama. Nice relationship. Also, me popo. Me popo. I don't know popo. Me ma. Also, me also. What are you? Instagram. Àwọn ìyá sa fallacy for Babylon se mogbo. I did P my hands. What's it here? Nanka better my hands. Use your hands to rub it. Yo. Opoku. Nanka better na. Use do it smoothly. Yes, slow. Nanka better na yo ya.
Chiki no na pro na yes.
Usukrana mi yo. Yes, add more ultimate on it. I really appreciate the love and your support you are giving me. Thank you very much.
I'll see you later.
The love is very deep.
But I'll see you later. It's just because of Scanty, it's not because of you.
Huh?
I'll see you later.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Okay.
For me.
Okay.
So we for han fa.
Need to walk around when you know one can't me now be catch them minute.
Oh you when I will friend.
I call you no Jimmy pa o. Ni pa dey jina want man can't say okọ na fe na be here.
Yo bro na yes sir.
I can't show me ho ato me kakra o. Unche get no da so do. E key na me bi abo.
Ani Jimmy.
Ken no da so do. Because obi a woni na jai. Obi a no obeye ne ex say that.
Boy bi na ye ho bro, we bi na.
Mo bro. Wo be na ex ama, wo be na ho bro ma ex. Never. Enti get na nkasa de nani sa adwon. Na wo dressing na nko fo no. Ba se na meti enti aso fe. Ko fo no. You su adwon, you su coupe no. You su coupe no dupe. You should coupe and I do.
Then what do you suggest me then?
Coupe no, back. A jet here that day. Where AOX and I will shut down Casapi because can't they won't deserve again. No, me and him look in. Scanting up again and then at the Danway jam. And I'm to me reading Mascantin say again a life. Because precious me penasem and I want to sort them akumaso. See, I bear brothers, near. You cover me, I cover you, hospital blanket. And I follow who no road. We are the road. What did I make
about my guy? Charlie is spoiled it. Just to ride it, then make a carry this thing go crash.
Happiness is here, Jimmy. Oh, pray too much. Went in or down, no, pray too much. Quite. Ah, oh, said no, dear. Into dinner home, why? Pressure than any John, why? Still now, I'll be waiting on sorry. Oh, say, Jimmy. It's BBN, why? Nanny Gary. You Gary, okay, maybe Jimmy. Why? Yes, sir. I'm a sir. I am Aroma Kukone. We could do so that my who soon any. My banner for babies, I say, a banner saying is soon any home. Me netu. Woman, these are no. Ready for me. Me ya Kenny. Me ya go bin tokwa. I come come here to food for me saying.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months, I drum Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh, yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah.
Hi. I came to thank you for what you did for me the last time.
No problem.
No, Connie.
I'm in a hurry. I'm doing something inside.
I know. I really want you to
Please
know.
talk faster.
I mean, I want you to know that I really appreciate everything you did. I really didn't deserve your attention. You should have walked away when I was in need, but you came and helped me out. It really means a lot to me.
I didn't mind. That's why I did it.
I know. You're a very good person. Please. That's what I came to say. I mean, I'm sorry. I mean, thank you. Thank you.
Right.
I came to thank you for what you did for me. Yeah.
Is that all? Are you done?
And more.
Wrap it up.
I mean, I'm sorry. I mean, thank you very much for helping me with my hand. And that is all. That's all.
Okay. I'm leaving. Be healed soon, okay? Be fine.
Now, Shay. That means now, Kasa, I say be healed soon. What's up? Watch one, no idea. I chop and I'm able to, and you may say be alive. I'll teach you who is also. Precious. I told me in Kudibia.
What's the sick bay?
Huh?
Sick bay.
All right. Problem.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months, I drum Maya.
Before prayer.
Opoku.
Oh, sit down.
Oh, come and sit down.
Oh, sit down.
Why are you walking like that? Come.
Oh, P. Sit down. Go and sit.
Oh.
P, sit. Okay, then stand up and let me sit. Stand up.
I won't.
Oh,
Sit
stand up.
Sit here.
Oh, I'm
I
suffering.
stood up for you, right?
I'm suffering.
Sit here.
Sorry, stood up and let me sit.
Sit down.
P for play. Don't do me like that. P for play. No problem, you sit.
Come and sit down.
Oh, let me sit here.
Come.
Let me sit here. I'm okay.
Down.
Oh, let me sit here.
Hey, come and sit down.
Let me sit here.
Hey. You. Come.
You're breaking my bottle.
Sorry, come. I'm sorry, come. Sit down. Sorry, okay.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
Sit in a way that I can see you.
You didn't go anywhere today?
Nah. You see, it's lights out. I was feeling hot and I came to sit outside.
Oh, then why didn't you come and look for me?
We are not like that.
Oh, but we are cool. P for prayer.
Opoku.
Anyways, that was just by the way.
How are you feeling now?
Oh, it is getting better. It's
getting better. And that was how you were walking.
It's better than before.
If you say so. Then I have to stop coming over.
No, don't stop. Yes. Don't stop. How is Aroma?
Aroma? Why are you asking about Aroma from me?
Oh, but we are cool.
Nah, we are not cool.
But Aroma is cool with you. Yes.
Is that what you said?
Yeah, that was what you were saying, but it's okay.
But
the boy is suffering.
Why?
The hand. It removes.
But why doesn't he go to the sick bay?
No. You see, sometimes the sick bay, they will ask you plenty talking questions. So I don't want him to go to the sick bay so that they will ask.
But he has friends. They can.
They tell me, say, precious. Aroma obre. Nisan a year na sa shim. Otimi obeda otutu ho. Oda sore no sa de ashim. Iddi. As a brony bano. Otuni san to obeda no sa de ashim. The boy is very, very suffering. So I'm pleading on his behalf. Please, if you get a time, come there and come and do his hands for me. Yes.
Oh no, I can't do that.
Listen.
Opoku, you are even having pity on you when I'm doing yours. I come to beg for somebody.
Let wagon be wagon. Let the past go. You see, let the past go. You see, nipa there nipa na fun. Upon chani intimi film we mu fun nipa. There nipa na fun nipa. Oh, and a nipa fumu kumuzuwa. Nipa fumunja. He
didn't do anything like very normal.
I know.
He cheated on me with my best. Sorry. Look, I'm sorry. Oh.
Because of Aroma forgiving you.
I'm not going to do it for him. Please.
I beg. Look at it wasn't his intention to do that.
I've been through a lot.
Your friend.
I can't. I know that when I keep on going there, we will start talking. I don't want him to be my friend. Okay.
Listen.
Opoku,
I can feel your pace. I can put yourself in your shoes. Do you understand? But this is the case. And you know, they will change the case in him. I was even crying. I see what I'm for no. Popono. Then I only need them. When you know Gunimpum, I bread that I was a dende. When you know Gunipum, but when you need that one yet intended, Nina Yadum Bonnet. So I don't feel Seer.
So he's blaming Seer.
Seer, no. You could chow this gem. Catching say, when you're na chitty. No, he says Seer and the Aroma.
But he should have come to ask me.
And also to try to chow pictures. Naked pictures are. Or chow pictures, no chow boy be pictures, no the grade day. No, the best Aroma. Oh, it's what I say, Aroma.
Aroma didn't tell me that. The time we were breaking up, he just told me that he had to move on with Seer.
He didn't say anything like that. No.
Okay, I'm lying for him now. Stop.
You listen.
You're making your thing worse.
Listen. You see, me and you, dear, we are free. We are very, very okay. Sometimes we fight and sometimes we come back. Do you understand? And you know I won't lie to you.
You will lie to me.
Sometimes, but not on Thursdays. I've never in my life lied on Thursday. So I'm telling you the gospel truth.
So in conclusion,
please come there and do the hands for him.
That's
because
really
the boy is suffering.
Hard.
The boy is suffering. Sometimes when you come, the hands is there, then the boy is sitting there.
The hands is there, he's sitting.
Inside the baby, no, baby soon. I said, "Mia, na me dem sabak itam, na me de ashama." Oh, yeah, na ya humiti. To Mr. What? We heard in San Man what? P for prayer.
Then I have to stop doing yours because I cannot balance everything. I cannot do yours and do his. So choose one. Because I can't do yours and then do his. So it's either yours or his. Okay, so choose one. So right now we've concluded.
But you know, if it comes that but
is it my fault that you guys are in this situation?
I know it is not your fault, so? And it can never be your fault. So I'm pleading. That's why I'm saying I'm pleading.
I've heard you.
I know you will do it. Huh? I know you love me and I also love you. When I talk, you listen. You too, when you talk, I listen. Huh? P for prayer. Today you didn't cook Indomie. You didn't cook.
I thought you ordered food for us to eat too.
For who and who?
You and I.
Hey, now, a stupid person.
What are you saying?
The
last time I thought we've already spoken about this.
Yeah.
About the jollof issue.
Jollof, oh, Mimi, if you cry, Mimi, you
just spoke about it.
Oh, what is happening?
You're a liar.
Do you understand that?
Yes.
That means, what is the English name for Kwasiede and Chasu?
I don't know.
Look at you. Who flying if you? I don't know.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwana, I know the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brooklyn.
I'll appeal for prayer.
Oh,
Me, a dear yana, me, come on. What is the matter? Boys, now can be a dog or more. Omunina, Omona, Omachi war. A dear, a then. Yeah, no, the big count. Total penance if you have. Then from us, I home. Okay, I don't know who you are for something for. I don't know you can't say who experience you. Father, on something for home.
You can't tell me what to do. I'm doing what I want.
I don't know, I'm not time for your boyfriend, for Christ's sake.
Boyfriend?
Yo.
Opoku.
No.
If you say that again, I'll leave.
If I say what?
If you say that again, I'll leave.
If I say what?
Boyfriend or girlfriend or babe. Or
if I say that your boyfriend is Aroma.
Yeah.
I won't say that your boyfriend is Aroma again. But what if I say your husband to be Opoku?
I'm holding one.
Okay, thank you.
Is it okay?
Hey, look at what. Do you know what I love about you? You think ahead of time. You see, the boy was coming to ask me about the pinot, but you see, told you.
But who does he know that he has to add this?
Do it.
Can't he?
I'm locking the phone.
Is it okay?
Precious.
Are you okay? Opoku, is it okay?
What? I think the person is suffering.
Why can't you say
You use your hands to rub the thing before. You see, Hannah home. I throw na home. It's okay. Because you know you need to perform. Can't the other dance there as usual. You cry, you won't have any prayer movie that. Okay, we have a third person. Huh? You are saying your partner was stressed out. You don't tell her or the okay. And you need to tell me no matter. You are saying yeah. You know about Tina or Bano stressed rich. I don't tell her though. What do you say? What do you mean? We are doing for. Is it okay?
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
Okay, so I'll come later tomorrow.
Alright.
Hope you are fine.
Oh yeah.
But I can't.
No. It's left with one thing. Is it okay right now?
He said it's fine.
It's fine.
Now we okay.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah, sure.
Fine.
Are you also fine?
Oh me,
Yeah.
you see me there. I'm managing.
I can't tell.
You know, I'm a hard nigga, so.
And again, thank you once again.
Sure.
I really appreciate it.
Alright.
I sit down here, but Jimmy, I sit down here.
You know, I thank you.
Opoku, I'm leaving. I'll come to the other food fast to take.
Huh?
Other food fast.
What will you chop?
I want fried rice.
And then focus on me.
I don't want chicken. I want the cow meat.
Yeah. Okay, don't worry. I'll order food for you.
So should I come in again?
What you have done today? Why you one?
So what time should I come?
You come around in the evening, like 4 p.m.
Okay.
I'll buy food for you.
I'll be here.
I said I'll buy only food you like.
Yes, only food.
You don't like drink? You have drink.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'll be coming.
Thank you for your coming.
Bye.
Okay. Have a wonderful day.
Bye, precious.
We are saying, maybe I see an American. Tepia, you should dupe. You should dupe. Get one down. Be doesn't get it down. Ah, or bar said we wouldn't net. Now in the giant again in real food. I just a whole Bema. Bema will feel crowd, no shall be a becayo. And again, we are only first person of breaking. On our team is the woman. No near be that. Oh, it's a simple one was out of the cabo.
I require to see yourself to a bonny care of you. Bah,
see a baby.
Baby. Baby girl. Okay, so I got ointment, but I'm so all fair precious. It's not mean to make a man. See a bit me. I don't know the way I had it. I give you a man with me. Simple.
Now, where am I doing? So I said, Coupé to pin in everyone.
I don't know.
Me, bread, I'm not bringing out to me. I will.
Opoku, you and mine will see a check again.
See where? Tell me, precious a bit now. I can't be down because it's a see, I mind.
Bro, you are talking about the heart, Charlie. I come on, some night.
Come on, myself, now make a near Miss Wall. Get no more for them. Ah, she said it was it here. She said it was it here. Now, if I get it, I will tell you.
That's my choice. I don't want to thank us, boy. Girl, no, you know, out of pity, be now, you know,
Aroma, me and I dear young son, I made the mouth. Only precious, the best choice. More for them.
Tell him, what is?
What come on, baby? Now, over down me. Wakuma could do Wahara Muna could know. I don't know, Casamu Tiesa. You swear dinner, you swear dinner. Coupe.
All the same, see, me, I can't love her less, Charlie. Me, girl, mean to me, trying to boss her, bro.
Tidemi, I'm a bit
lie, bro.
Huh?
Precious, though.
But when I'm ready, my precious, and could discount some mascanting protect him. Oh, it's again.
Wait, Tino, like who when you say scanty deserve anything or person may sign go back now.
And then the sir, and this won't deserve you. Mummy, I don't know, Fatam. And I bear me just a moment more will be a funny way. On the mission, more I bear for you, yes, come wire. A bear fair, bro. Hey, Aroma on the problem. A for Aroma. A for Aroma. Aroma perfume right.